Now, whenever you want to change the colors or fonts on your website, you can simply come over here and click on Site Design. Here under Color Theme, we can change each individual color of our website. Simply click on the color you want to change, then you can change it right here and you can see the changes happening live on your website. Or you can also go back one step, then click on Site Theme, and then just try out different themes that will be applied across your entire website. Now, personally, I like the first one the best, so I'm gonna go back to the original one. Then to change your website fonts, just go back one step here, then go to Text Theme, and here you can change each of the fonts individually. So currently we have this font for the headings. We can maybe change it to this one right here, and it will be applied across your entire website, and the same for the paragraph fonts.